Okay, Wildcats. Today we're going to journal page 25, subtracting polynomials. Steps to subtract polynomials. Step 1, distribute to remove the parentheses. Step 2, combine like terms. Step 3, arrange the terms in order, from highest exponent alphabetically and constant last. Okay, if you would update that note page. Okay. Now let's take a look at the examples. Again, journal page 25, subtracting polynomials. Example 1, subtract the polynomials. Now, first thing you need to do is put a 1 in front of the parentheses. You need to distribute this -1 to these terms first. Now, we're not going to do anything here because this is a 1 in front of that parentheses. So 1 times anything is itself. So we have -4x plus 20x to the 5th plus 12. But now we need to multiply everything by -1. So -1 times 9 is -9. -1 times -7x cubed is plus 7x cubed. -1 times x is a -1x. Okay? Now we find the highest term, which is 20x to the 5th. So we're done with that. It looks like we don't have any x to the 5th. We don't have any x to the 4th. So the next highest is plus 7x cubed. Now we look for any squareds. We don't have those. Now we look at the x's. So minus 4x and then minus 1x. Okay? And then plus 12 minus 9. Okay, so that's 20x to the 5th plus 7x cubed. -4x and -1x combined to be -5x. And then 12 minus 9 is plus 3. So the difference of the polynomials is 20x to the 5th plus 7x cubed minus 5x plus 3. And that 5 didn't come out that well, so let me rewrite that. There you go. All right, go ahead and finish up example 1. All right, let's take a look at example 2. Subtract the polynomials. 6x cubed plus 58x to the 4th minus 18x plus 1 minus parentheses -10x cubed plus 4x plus 24. So first we're going to put a 1 in front of here and 1 in front of here. We distribute the 1 here, and that just becomes 6x cubed plus 58x to the 4th minus 18x plus 1. Now we multiply everything here by -1. So -1 times -10 is a positive 10x cubed. -1 times 4 is -4x. -1 times 24 is minus 24. Okay. So then we have 58x to the 4th. Okay, we're done with that. Nothing to combine with it. Now we have the 6x cubed and the 10x cubed, which combines 6x cubed plus 10x cubed is plus 16x cubed. So we're done with those. Now we have -18x and then -4x is minus 22x. So we're done with that. And then 1 and -24 combined to be -23. Okay, so the difference of the polynomial is 58x to the 4th plus 16x cubed minus 22x minus 23. Okay, go ahead and finish up example 2. All right, example 3. Subtract the polynomials. Okay, so we're going to put a 1 in front of here, 1 in front of here. This is just 69x to the 18th minus 1x squared. But now we have to multiply everything here by -1. So -1 times 3x is -3x plus 80x cubed minus 5x squared minus 5. Now we combine terms. There's nothing to combine the 69x to the 18th, so we have 69x to the 18th, so we're done with that. Now the next highest exponent is x cubed. There's nothing combined, so that's plus 80x cubed. We're done with that. Now we look for the squares. -x squared minus 5x squared is minus 6x squared. And then minus 3x minus 5. Okay? So the difference of the polynomial is 69x to the 18th plus 80x cubed minus 6x squared minus 3x minus 5. Okay? So if you would, finish up example 3. All right, now that's done. Let's take a look at the next example. All right, journal page 25, subtracting polynomials, example 4. Subtract the polynomials. All right, so again, we're going to put a 1 here, 1 here. This is just 9x minus 10x cubed. Now we're going to multiply everything here by negative 1, so that's minus 9x cubed minus 5x plus 1. Let me sharpen my pencil. All right. So now, let's look at the highest exponent. So now we can combine these. So negative 10x cubed and negative 9x cubed become negative 19x cubed. Okay, so we're done with these. Now we combine the x's. 9x minus 5x is plus 4x. So we're done with these. And then plus 1. So the difference of the polynomial is negative 19x cubed plus 4x plus 1. Okay, go ahead and finish up example 4. All right, let's take a look at example 5. Subtract the polynomial. So we put a 1 here, and a 1 here. So that's 5x to the 5th minus 6. Now we multiply every one of these by negative 1, so that's minus 17 minus 10x squared plus 1x to the 4th. And again, we'll multiply everything here by negative 1, so that's minus 13x squared minus 1x to the 4th. Apparently I didn't sharpen my pencil. All right. Sorry about that again. All right. So then let's look at the highest exponent. So that's to the 5th. So that's 5x to the 5th. We're done with that. We have to the 4th. We have 1x to the 4th minus 1x to the 4th. Those cancel. So now we look at cubed. We don't have. Now we have squared. Negative 10x squared and negative 13x squared become minus 23x squared. Okay, so we're done with these. Now we have negative 6 minus 17 is a minus 23. So the difference of the polynomial is 5x to the 5th minus 23x squared minus 23. All right, go ahead and finish up example 5. All right, let's take a look at example 6. Subtract the polynomial. So we put a 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. So that's just 15x squared minus 1x plus 3 minus 5x minus 9 plus 6x minus 11. Okay, combined terms, we only have the 15x squared, so that's 15x squared, so we're done with this. Negative 1x and negative 5x is negative 6x, and negative 6x combined to be 6x canceled, so this, and this cancel. So now you're left with 3 and negative 9 is negative 6, and negative 11 combines to be negative 17. So the difference of the polynomial is 15x squared minus 17. Okay, if you would, go ahead and finish up example 6, and have a wonderful Wildcat day.